Hello guys! Today is the weekend, Sunday, and it's late. It is like 5:03 already. It is 5:03. I was going that way because my clock is in that side. I have my green screen back here, but it's not green for you guys. It's gonna be, let's say, snowstorm. Yeah, okay. Sunny, the desert. Better. No, it's like the desert outside. Like you go outside, you cannot be outside. That's why I like to use the green screen, because you go outside, it's like the melting sun on you, like that. And oh, we have my lovely wife in here too. Yeah, I invited her. She don't move that much because I don't know why she don't move that much, but she's here. And these days nothing good has happening. Like I've been having bad luck because like no money. Well, it's not that bad because a lot of other people is suffering in other places. So like having no money is like we gotta. That's okay. Yeah. And we got Andrew right there. I told him that feel free to jump in anytime he wants. If you don't have green, you don't have no green. Don't go this way. Come this way.
Green?
No, you don't have no green. This way.
Don't jump in.
Yeah, he's right there. Oh.
Man, I'm not good at Fortnite if I have to jump off a bus.
He went against the green screen. That's what I'm pushing him by. You know, green screens, you are too close. They don't work that good. Like, so for some reason, it makes like these shadow things. I was looking for a green screen that is more like...
blanky.
No, brighter. Like
a lime green?
Lime green. I seen the lime green works perfect with videos but these ones are dark green. I don't know, they don't sell it lime, or I haven't really looked into it.
Guys, soon
because like I say, I have no money. And my car broke down. But,
oh my god. Guys, soon I'm gonna use these as blankets, and then when we're vlogging, I'll just be asleep, and then on top of me is the universe.
Like the blanket is there, and it's gonna be like a tent.
Oh, there's the tent.
Yeah.
Oh, we're in the forest.
Oh wow! You know, guys, one of you guys know how to make like still images like this one move? Tell me, because I seen how you guys move it in your videos, but no one tells you how. And I haven't like really, I don't know how to make still images move in your movies. I don't know how they have, like I seen them moving, like they already have moving, but like I wanted like to move from there to here, like get closer. Even if we just like that, it'd be perfect. I just wanted that effect. I learning little by little, I don't know. What we have right now behind us is like
a blanket that we made. We painted it, you know.
A painting?
We painted that wall. Now that I think about it, why don't we just paint my wall lime green? Like just paint my wall just like
the whole room, whole room lime green. That'd be perfect.
God, man, we like green screen everywhere.
Even the fan in the ceiling and everything.
Everything's green.
Everything. We just like.
What is happening?
And you know, it reminds me of Mr. Bean when he went and he wanted to paint his house, and he just like grabbed the bucket of paint and put like a dynamite. No, he put a dynamite on it, and everything that he didn't want it to be painted, he wrapped it on
like
foil, paper foil. You know the aluminum foil thing. Yeah, he wrapped everything, even a flower they have in his table.
What happened?
But he did it good, except for a guy washing his house. When he come back, everything was painted perfect, except for the shade of someone that was washing his house. Yeah, it was funny. Oh, I want to mention something I forgot. You know what it is?
No.
Logan Paul gave me a birthday present.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's August. It's our birthday month.
Yeah, it's our birthday month. Andrew's birthday, the 16th. I'm gonna put it right here. The 16th, And my birthday, the 25th of August. Then, guess what? He's giving me a birthday present.
Guys, I said because someone at church told me that we should go live. Like, our reaction live. And I was like, and be like, our live reaction, his birthday present, freaking go, freaking Maverick, destroy that freaking KFC bucket.
Kentucky Fried Chicken? You want some of these fries?
Oh my god.
You know, we can be anywhere.
We're in the boxing ring.
Oh,
Let's go. Let's go.
The bells and everything.
Let's go. Jesus Christ. Oh, we're doing karate now?
I see myself on the mirror over there.
Haircut.
Oh, yeah, and you got a new haircut. You usually get the microphone haircut where they just cut it and it looks like a microphone. Looks like, hello, 1, 2, 3, test it. But this time, he got a line in there. That's totally making it different from the microphone.
What they did is that they took like 30 minutes to make this haircut. They were, Jenny, our sister Jenny, she asked, fade this side, fade the back, and keep the top. Like, and then they started, like, they kept going over and over on the sides. Like, they just kept going. And I was like, are you going to make me bald or something? And then they did the top. But then I feel no difference. But then I don't know if it's that faded. I guess it is a little bit.
They should have extended all the way to the scar that you have in here and it's like connected right there. It'd be perfect. Oh God, he's so close. I keep telling him, don't go. You know, you see all those little squares? It's like when you get close to that thing. Look.
You got so many squares.
You got squares now. Yeah. And probably the little squares in my hair and in his hair. That thing is hard to adjust.
Also that.
Yeah.
Well, you guys don't see it, but it's like...
It's a door right there. It's a door right there.
and the air just sucks
It's like, we tried to put something in there, like to keep it from sucking in there.
Like,
Don't move it, don't move it.
Move it. Now it sucks back in. What the heck? Let's watch it.
Oh, wow. I didn't know it was like that. I never paid attention.
It's like that most satisfying moment.
That part, I'm not going to put nothing on it. You guys are going to see that's getting sucked into it. Yeah, it's going to be just the green screen getting sucked into it.
Edited? Not edited.
Not edited, yeah. And... It sucks not to have money. You cannot go anywhere. What are you talking about? We can even be in the mood.
It sucks when you don't have a controller that works.
Oh, he's depressed because the controller for his new Switch, Nintendo Switch.
Yes.
One of his controllers is like moving by himself. I know.
It's annoying.
He keeps watching all kinds of tutorials, and we try.
Yeah, but it doesn't work. So we're planning on getting the Pro controller, but guess what? We have no money for it. And it's like $70 or $60, something like that. And I'm just like,
I'm poor.
I only have $15.
Look, we poor. Look at where we live. Oh, look at all that garbage. Oh my God.
And that's our dinner over there.
Oh. We need to catch it.
Like the Black Panther, I got the suit. Wakanda forever.
Yep.
I don't know, guys. This year, like the end of the year doesn't have anything that special. Like Avengers come out next year. Yeah. Captain Marvel comes out next year.
Yeah.
And
but the thing is, like, it's people that, like, in their room, everything, they make very interesting videos. If like that guy that was the other day, I went.
Okay, look. Let's turn it to the bed and then we'll do some cool stuff. Okay. Let's do this. Okay.
Wait a minute.
No.
Come on. Okay. What are you doing?
Oh no, it's Park Green.
Oh my God. No, 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 no. He's moving the whole planet. All right, leave it like that. What are you doing? Do it. He turned into a frog. Oh, he's back. All right. Then see you guys. I'm gonna put in there some parts of the where the babies, the birds are flying already now. They're like more grown up and they're flying. I say I'm gonna put.
You can get one and throw it in here.
I'm excited about it.
Oh,
Look
wait,
at that.
wait.
Oh,
You can do
you
that.
look at that.
Help me!
Oh yeah, boom. See, look at
Oh no, he got me. Ew, ew, ew.
Oh,
Your back.
bird. Oh, I want to try that. I'm gonna
They're
catch
too
one.
big now.
Look at that.
Okay.
It's so funny.
Screen bear.
Look at that. Oh.
Are you gonna help me?
Yeah. Hi guys.
He's taking too long. While we wait with my wife. Hi. She doesn't like that much. And she got stuck like that. I think I had to take to the doctor. Oh, he's back. Bye, wife. Look,
I got
green screen bird.
what bird? It's just like my chest, bro. Like
Look at that. Green screen bird.
probably blinding its eye right now.
Oh,
Hey, it's lime green.
They're the best bird.
Hey, look. Wait. It won't fly. Wait, let's see if it flies. Oh.
No.
It's not flying.
Your mom,
Oh.
Do not
Well, let
remember.
it cut its wings.
Your mom did.
She's crazy,
because
man.
they were flying to the fans and we didn't want them to get hurt.
Should have told me before I freaking threw it on the
I
floor,
didn't-
man.
I think
Like,
she just did it to that one. The other ones are okay. Right, baby? Oh.
this one is nice. It got trained to fly, but now it's not. Now it can't fly. Like,
Universe bird.
what's the point of freaking training a bird to fly and then you cut its feathers?
She do weird things when we are not here, you know. All right.
Well, I was here. I was just sleeping. Well, guys, should I get back
Alright.
to? I don't
Don't
know.
get so close.
I don't know which bird this is. I think it's kiwi. Wait, let's.
Yeah, this is the little one.
No, the little one's still in the cage.
I don't know. Well, guys, see you later and see you next week. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Here's the videos that you want to watch too. And here's my subscribe button right in the middle. Then, guys, see you next weekend. Thank you. Bye.